Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete a post on Threads using the Threads mobile application. So whether it is a thread or just a reply, here is how you can remove it instantly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Threads application on your phone. Then you need to log in here with the help of your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to see all of your posts. Now you can scroll down and locate the thread or the reply that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this particular thread over here. So tap on the three dots right next to this thread, and here you are going to see the option of delete. So tap on the delete option and tap on the delete option again in order to confirm it. The post will be removed from your profile and your feed. If it is a reply in the thread, you can open the thread and find that reply. Then again, you can tap on the three dots right next to it, then select the option of delete, then tap on the option of delete again in order to confirm it. Now, the important thing that you need to remember here is that deleting is permanent. The post and the media will be gone forever if you delete it over here. If someone quoted your threads, their quote stays, but your original will show as unavailable. So make sure that you remember this fact while deleting any of the replies or any of the threads from your account. So that's how you can delete a post or any thread on the thread application in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more threads tutorial, and comment if you want me to cover any other topic in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.